Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. For that we will have two ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Just press these both buttons for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you have now the chance also to draw something inside or to highlight something, or here at the corners you can also crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or someone's WhatsApp status and so on. After, if you're ready with, you can share this edited part here, or with the arrow you will send it directly to your gallery. There's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. You're going to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And here at the pictures, you find them mixed up with the pictures and videos from your camera. So this is why I always recommend to you to go to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.